Welcome to AVAMIGRATRON. In this video, let's get to know the process of how you can create Slack app for authentication to AVAMIGRATRON. Creating a Slack app for authentication ensures secure data handling with AVAMIGRATRON, streamlining your migration process. Log into your Slack account in a browser and go to API slack.com apps. You'll be directed to a dashboard displaying various features. Click on the Create an App button to configure your app, scope, and settings. To configure your app, choose the From Scratch option. Enter your app name, pick the workspace where you want your app developed, and click the Create App button. Then, you'll be redirected to the dashboard with basic information and app features. Navigate to the Permissions option and click on it. Under Redirect URL, add a new redirect URL for verification purposes. Click Add and enter the URL provided in the guide. Save the URL to confirm. Under User Token Scopes, enter the OAuth scope and description as mentioned in our tool guide. Then, click on Install App from the Migration Service panel and proceed to the Install to Workspace tab. Upon installation, you'll receive an authentication request seeking permission to access your workspace. Click Allow and copy the OAuth token provided for further configuration. Retrieve the details of your app credentials, such as App ID, Client ID, Secret Code, and Verification Token from the Basic Information page. And there you go! Creating a Slack app for authentication with AVAMIGRATRON is now simpler than ever. Ready to make the switch? Reach out to us at sales@avamigratron.com for questions or demos. We would love to connect with you for a smooth migration journey.